Hi, my favorite people. Welcome to the world of fully hooded eye makeup. My name is Vera, and I'm a professional makeup artist specializing in hooded eyes and beyond. Even if you're only interested in everyday makeup styles, this video is still a must-watch because you will learn a lot of effective tips and see how versatile hooded eyes can be. With the right approach, we can do it all. This makeup tutorial will help you look your best for Thanksgiving Day and especially for Christmas holidays. Step-by-step tutorial on icy winter hooded eye glam. Let's go. Make sure to pluck any extra hair so your shadows can blend out perfectly. I like to mix white and black eyeshadow bases from Happy Eyelids to get the perfect gray. Nude shade and black will work too. The best point to start your eyeshadow placement is at 80% of the eye length from the inner to the outer corner. Never go lower than the ascending direction of your lower lash line. Apply my Holy Grail triangle formula. Those who watch my tutorials probably know this rule already by heart. To lift your eye shape, connect the highest point of the crease with the ascending direction of the lower lash line. With a clean, tapered brush, blend out the edges, then with matte concealer and flat definer, align and clean the edges. You can also use my nude eyeshadow base for this. So you got the pattern, customized pattern for your eye, and then it will be much easier to intensify it if you want. You can also implement on the edges and blend some blush or brownish like soft bronzer depending on your skin tone, or at least translucent powder, but don't leave it just one shade of eyeshadows. Now you see what I'm doing? It's super interesting detail. Grab a small bullet brush and white eyeshadow base and create a dimension in the middle of the eye. Imagine that this is your eyelid right now. Tilt your head back and work on the eyelid to discourage appearance of wrinkles on the forehead. The base is super pigmented and blends like a dream. You need just a tiny bit. I haven't squeezed any new product. It's the same product from the beginning of the makeup and it works amazingly. I even like when actually it gets thicker. It's so comfortable to work with. And bullet brush, oh my god, it's just no more panda eye. It's amazing for bottom eyelid makeup. And with such makeup style, I recommend to go wider so your eyes can appear larger. This looks crazy right now, but look at this mighty angled eyeliner brush. So easy to create detailed makeup. Next is mascara, and this is the first results only with mascara. Now lash technique, using my favorite quick and natural enhancers from my website. Divide them into two pieces for better precision, size 13, and then place the first lash on the same level as the ascending direction of the lower lash line. Then fill in the lash line to the highest point of the crease with sizes 12 and 10 or 11 and 9. Always press on top like this with tweezers to help them stick and set in place. And I'm going to repeat it over and over again, that if you want to master hooded eye makeup, start from the lash technique. If you master to put a few, at least like, okay, 2 lash clusters at the outer corner, you got this, babe. Then you can do eyeliner, anything, any makeup will look amazing. Or you don't have to do anything but lashes. Your hooded eyes will look way better than with just eyeliner or eyeshadows. First lashes, then everything else. Now using gel liner and clean mini bullet brush, of course everything by Happy Eyelids, work on your lower lid. I know it's not recommended to apply product directly on your waterline, but as a makeup artist, I love playing with my waterline. You can skip this step and just apply it under the lash roots, feathering out and barely touching it. For a soft smoky effect that turns into a smudged eyeliner, use a black eyeshadow base by Happy Eyelids because it's creamier than gel liner and doesn't dry out so quickly, so making it very comfortable to work with. And you can still use gel liner for inner corner details as it's thicker and it's more like, I would say pigmented, but black eyeshadow base is also pigmented. It just has a little different formulas and textures, and smudged eyeliner, smoked, smudged eyeliner will be amazing with a shadow base, but then other details like tight lining inner corners, anything that needs to be lined, it's gel liner is the best. I like to apply mascara on my falsies just on the outer corners and on the lower lashes too. And of course, always clean and align the edges with flat definer. Okay, so this is the matte version. I love it. Let me know, what do you think? And if you prefer matte makeup, then you're done at this point, and thank you so much for watching. But if you like putty on your eyelids like me, then let's throw some diamonds onto the eyelids because look at these sparkles. These are my babies that I'm launching very soon. The intensity is adjustable. You can go from subtle to full glam, just like my duochromes. They're fallout free hybrid, which means half cream, half powder, and don't need glue because they stick amazingly and don't get patchy. For more intensity, use your fingertips. For a softer look, use a flat blender. The flat blender is synthetic, so it doesn't actually absorb powder pigments, giving a super subtle effect. Babe, I'm makeup artist, experienced makeup artist. I know what I'm doing. I know how products should perform. So when I'm launching something, that's mean it's professional grade. It's something that will work amazingly. Now let me show you that the eyeliner expert set from my website is an absolute must-have for perfect lip makeup as well. I like to start with a mini bullet brush. First I contour. It's easier than with a super thin lip pencil, honestly. Just try it and see. I think it's easier, especially for beginners. Then with the same brush, fill in the lips and create kind of like an ombre effect if you want. And on top, I like to add Vinyl Maybelline. Even with just one bullet brush, look how practical and satisfying the process is. For flawless results, you can clean the edges if needed with an angled eyeliner brush or flat definer. And that 3 shades are just my absolute favorite. I'm always wearing that 3 shades. They are just wow, 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 my absolute favorites. And yeah, okay, this is what we've got. Look at this. Look at this. This is what you can do with your fully hooded eyes. You see? You see? So please stop telling me like, ooh, I hate my eyes. I can't do anything, because you can, baby. I mean, if I can, and I was absolute zero in makeup. It's not a talent or something, it's just my stubbornness, it's my hardworking desire to like, oh, I just wanted to look amazing. I believe that my eyes can look amazing with makeup as well. Not only without, because what? Because what? Of course, hooded eyes are beautiful. There's nothing wrong about them. They are amazing. They just need a certain makeup approach, and that's it. And as you can see, everything is possible, baby. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this video with other hooded eye people who want to look glamorous for Christmas and any occasion. I love you, baby. You're amazing.